What is good, guys? TJ got Kicks 89 here. We are back with another sick pickup and review for every one of you. First of all, let me say thank you so much for staying in tune to this channel, for liking, commenting, subscribing, for everything that you do. All of these videos are for you. Thank you so much. For me, TJ got Kicks 89. Today is the 27th of January 2019, and this was a pickup from Crossover MY. Thank you so much to everyone at Crossover for blessing me with a pair. This is a general release and it was copped on the 25th. Let's just get straight to the unboxing. Got my Ninja wallet here. Let's do this. And let me just say first and foremost, thank you so much Crossover for shipping these real quick. Put the order in on Friday, got it shipped on a Sunday. They even threw a 50 ringgit discount voucher for all that copped online. CNY 50 to use before the 28th of February. Thank you. Alright, 350 bucks. Well, I'm just ruining this package right now. Alright, so we have the A350 box here. Let's check. Yeezy Boost 350 made by Adidas, Adidas.com, Kanye, and you have this Yeezy Boost 350 V2 in the triple white or the cream white colorway. US 9.5, my size. Let's unbox this. So all Yeezy boxes make a farting sound. These don't, which is great. And here they are. This is the first time I'm seeing this. Oh my god. It's actually really weird seeing like the Yeezys come out with their tongue kind of like that, because they're very well structured. But here they are, the triple white Yeezy 350s, restocked in conjunction with Chinese New Year across Asia. Malaysia was included. You've seen countless videos of these. I have had pairs of these which I haven't made videos of, but at one time it was just used for trade bait. Fortunate enough to get them real quick and let them go real quick. But real simple, it's just a Yeezy 350 V2, all white, with cream white bottoms. Tech is just Boost midsole, running from the entire the entire foot. Prime knit upper. So just a quick update on these guys. I was at Foot Locker earlier today before these came in, and Iki, who's my plug there, told me that they still have a full-size run of these. And as at today, Sunday the 27th, Adidas also still has a full-size run of these shoes, and I don't expect them to be selling out anytime soon. I was across all Southeast Asia and Asia's Adidas websites, namely the Taiwanese website, the Chinese website. I didn't check the Indonesian one, I checked the Singaporean one, and they all had sizes of these still left in stock. So if you have always wanted a pair of Yeezys for retail, this is going to be the easiest cop for you. Back, sorry guys, the video cut out earlier because there were storage issues with the iPhone. But if you guys are still interested in the shoe, I think this shoe will definitely sit across all websites. Foot Locker Bandar Utama included. Just hit up Iki, hit up everyone at Foot Locker. they should still have your pairs. If you've always wanted a pair of Yeezys for retail, this is your chance. Like Kanye said, he promised Yeezys for everyone, and I think he definitely came through with the promises. He came through with the zebras, he came through with the frozen yellows, he came through with the cream whites last, I think it was October. So resale hype is definitely dead for these, but that does not mean that you should stop wearing them. You know, if they're comfortable, if you like them, wear them, you know. Nothing much to really go through. Like I said, countless videos on these all over YouTube. I'm just putting this up just in conjunction with the restock. Happy CNY, Chinese New Year, Kong Si Fa Chai to everyone who is going to be celebrating next week, or the next 2 weeks, which is going to be the 5th and the 6th of February. Happy Chinese New Year to every one of y'all who are celebrating. May this year bring you more prosperity. And if you guys manage to cop these before Chinese New Year's, you will be able to flex these to your cousin, fiance, girlfriends, parents, brothers, sisters, whoever. So I think that takes care of this entire review for the crossover pair of the Yeezy 350 V2 creams or triple whites, the restock on the 25th. I definitely hope everyone was able to get their pairs. If you weren't, restalls are not going to be too crazy. A thing that people do keep telling me to do for my videos is like to show my face a little bit more and to do an on foot. I think I'll do the on foot because I'm not really comfortable with showing my face. There will be times where there will be segments or videos where I will be showing my face a little bit more, but thank you so much for staying locked in. This is TJ Got Kicks 89. This is the Yeezy V2 350 in the triple white colorway. Thank you so much for everyone that's watching. Please remember to like, comment, and subscribe to your boy TJ Got Kicks 89, and we are out.